Miss Gung, I've noticed something.
What's wrong?
Many regular customers say that Yulong's pellet mills have been used for many years and are still stable and highly efficient. What do you think is the secret?
Of course, there are some secrets, but simply talking about them isn't enough. Come on, I'll take you somewhere.
Where to go?
Production site.
Miss Gung, we've arrived. Now we can reveal the secret, right?
Xiaolu, let me test you first. What are customers most afraid of when buying equipment?
Their biggest worry is that things won't be easy. The machine vibrates, the machine makes strange noises. The production won't be up to par. Customers can't even sleep soundly.
That's right. Actually, you can't tell from the appearance whether a device is word-free or not. The most important thing is to look at its machining precision.
So how does Yulong focus its efforts on processing technology?
Do you see that big piece of equipment behind us? This is a 5-axis gantry machining center imported by Yulong from SNK, Japan. This piece of equipment is worth more than 21 million yuan. It can perform high-precision machining on various complex curved surfaces of Yulong components. The gearbox in Yulong granulator is processed using this. The machining accuracy can be stably controlled at 0.02 millimeters, which is about 1/3 the thickness of a human hair. This ensures the maximum possible coaxiality consistency between the gearbox bearing bores and mounting surfaces.
Does Yulong Company have many similar devices?
A great many. Yulong has many imported gantry machining centers. Yulong introduced such high-end imported processing equipment to ensure that every product and every component is manufactured with precision and accuracy, truly allowing customers to use it without worry.